Measures of center, also known as the measures of central tendency. The measures of central tendency are the mean, median, and the mode. Those in the data set are used to measure where the center of the set of data lies. Other measures will indicate how spread out or how variable they are. And later we'll be talking about that. We'll include the range, the interquartile range, which is abbreviated IQR, and the mean absolute deviation, which is MAD. The first measure of center that we are going to talk about is the mean. It's the average of all of the data points. Add up all of the numbers, divide by how many data points are in the data, and you have the mean. So first of all, let's find the sum of all of the numbers. The sum is addition, so we are going to add them all together, and that equals 29. In the data point, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Therefore, we are going to take 29 and divide it by 5, and that gives us a mean of 5.8. The second measure of center that we are going to talk about is the median. That is the middle value, but the most important part is that the points need to be in increasing order. They have to be in numerical order. And when we get to talking about the measures of variability, the median is also or sometimes referred to as the second quartile. So the first thing that we need to do is put the data points in order. 3 is the smallest, and we work our way up to 9. And what we're going to do is, all we need to do is find the middle number. Some people like to cross out as they go, others don't. We can cross out and we find that our middle number is 6. For our second example with median, we are going to put our numbers in order. And we notice that we don't have a middle number. We actually have 2 numbers that are the middle. So here are our 2 middle numbers. We are going to find the mean of those 2 numbers, which is adding them together, getting 13, and then dividing by 2. So our median isn't actually part of our data, but our median is 6.5. And our last measure of center is the mode. It is the number that occurs most often. If there isn't a number that is repeated, the data is said to have no mode.